Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammi, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds eating ketogenically and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. You know why she's late? Because she wanted to do driving practice and I didn't know, and I didn't get up in time to do it. And so I was letting her drive around the neighborhood, which she did a lot better today. I didn't feel like I was afraid for my life at all. One time I thought she was gonna hit a tree, but then she turned out of it. So, good girl. Anyway, we were late. It's her fault, not mine. Well, kind of mine, because I didn't get up, but. All right, now, it is Friday, and I need a bath. And you know what? Last week I didn't have a bath bomb, and I still haven't bought bath bombs. So I am gonna see if I can find a store around here that sells bath bombs that's open. It might take a miracle, but I'm gonna do my best. Taking my daughter to school, and much to my chagrin, the car is still doing dumb stuff. Now it feels like the transmission is slipping, and Dave made it sound like I'm gonna have to buy a new car. So that's awesome. I'm trying not to think about it. It's like there's so many things right now, I can't even get upset and cry anymore about it, because it's just like, you know, we've been pretty lucky though, 2020, have to admit, so can't get too upset about it. Tick, 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 tickies. Where's Shadow? Oh, of course she's right there. Never mind. Right by my feet. I should have known. She's always right by my feet. All right, guys. It is 11 o'clock. I am way behind. I should have been in the bath already for like 2 or 3 hours, and I'm getting started late. But you know what? I don't care. I'm still having my bath. Phineas doesn't have to be picked up today because his school started doing homeschool on Fridays, conveniently enough. So I can just relax all afternoon if I want. The girls are editing their video for even Eloise, and so I am taking snacks into the bath because I don't want to make my full meal because it's only 11. I just don't feel like it. I just really want to take a bath really bad. I really should go down and get my Solé water, but I'm gonna see if I can survive until later. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat. So I stopped and got a Built Bar when I got my whatever bath bombs earlier. I was hoping for one of the new flavors, but I got this one because it had the least carbs, at least from what I could tell on the label. It doesn't say what the net carbs are, and I think I maybe read it wrong, but look, 16 total carbs, minus 9 sugar alcohol is 7 left and 7 fiber. This is literally 0 carb. I think I'm crazy, right? Am I crazy? I don't know. 18 grams of protein and only 5 fat and only 160 calories. This might be my new favorite bar on the planet. Now, it does have maltodextrin in it, and I was gonna test my blood sugar, but do you think I could find my Keto Mojo? I have put it somewhere, and I cannot, for the life of me, figure out where. So I can't do that, but I was going to. And I'm also gonna have a couple of Jellos and a bang. I still haven't had a bang this morning, which is probably part of the reason I'm feeling pretty crappy. Anyway, I'm gonna get myself into the tub, finally, before I lose my mind. All right, well, I put the bar in chronometer and used the UPC code, and it says 0 carbs. What? How have I never tried this before? Almond toffee? Toffee almond? Woot! All right, here it comes. It looks like chocolate. There we go. And we'll see how it tastes. Probably tastes terrible. I mean, it has that medicine-y dark chocolate. The texture is fun. It's chewy. Sticks to my teeth just like a typical Built Bar. It tastes a lot like all the other Built Bars. Why does this one have so few carbs? I mean, that's awesome. All right, it is almost 3 o'clock and I'm finally finished putting together my second meal of the day, I guess, since I guess the protein bar probably counted. So let me show you what I'm having. So today I am having 56, actually it's 52 grams only of mozzarella cheese. It was a small piece, so I have to change my, I'm gonna have to change my macros at this point. 25 grams of center cut bacon. Seriously, I'm like, every time I make this, it's 30 grams, but today, no, 25. So I'm gonna have to change that and then adjust dinner accordingly. And then a banana nut shake. Whereas if I'd known these were gonna be small, I would have added some more nuts to the banana nut shake, but whatever. I mean, keto custard, my goodness. It's made with a banana shake. Banana nut custard. A banana nut custard made from 1 banana premier protein shake, 2 eggs, and sweetener, and then I have 8 grams of slivered almonds on top. And that's going to be my second meal of the day. And I did want to mention, since we are here on the day 14 of the reverse at this point, you'd think that I would be panicking a little bit about the scale. Having the scale be up 6 pounds is really super stressful, but here's the key. I know that my body does that. I've seen it a million times. Also, here's the key. Quitting never made anyone succeed at anything. It's always about consistency. And I told you guys I will not judge how this month went until I actually get to the point in my cycle where I know that I have dropped the water weight. Now, I do know that a water weight wish is on its way, and I'm just kind of waiting it out, getting a little nervous, trying to stay on top of my electrolytes. I totally forgot to take my Solé water when I was just downstairs. Dang it, I was going to do that. I'm going to have to remember. Ugh. That's the hard part, is when I'm retaining water, I don't feel like I need the Solé, and so my body doesn't remind me to take it. And I try to be consistent with it, but I'm not always the best. And then I'll hit that stupid water weight whoosh, and boom, I literally cannot even remember my own name. Last month, it was terrible. I lost 9 pounds in a week, and I couldn't even function as a human being. I literally went to the gas station, put the gas thing in my car, and never actually filled up the gas and didn't notice until about an hour later. I had to go back to the gas station and do it again. It's bad. So I'm trying really hard not to let that happen again by keeping up on my Solé water and not getting lazy about it just because my body's retaining water, retaining that sodium. Doesn't feel like it needs it as much, but it will. It will need it. So that's where I'm at today. That's where my head is at. I'm having a good day. My bath was lovely. I'm going to be leaving in a little while to go drive my daughter to dance. Other than my car breaking down and not knowing if I'm going to make it okay. And also, I'm not sure if I want to do exercise. I really haven't exercised much this week. Guys, I piddled out already. That's one thing I'm not very good at being consistent with because I truly dislike it. So we'll see what happens. I might push myself to walk over to that park, but my shoes, they're really bugging my feet, and I just don't want to. Anyway, I'm hungry. I'm going to eat, and I'll see you guys in a little while. Alrighty, guys. I just dropped the girls off at ballet, and I'm under the famous tree. But I'm in Oliver's car. There's no AC in this car. Thankfully, outside is a little bit less hot, so It's at least some breeze going through, but Ronnie now teaches until 6:30, so I'm stuck here for basically 3 hours in the car. Well, 2.5 hours, and then driving home a half hour. So I'm counting the half hour down here. That's 3.5 hours. I'm kind of exhausted. I have no motivation to go to the park or do anything. So I'm probably not. I just wish that I had known that we had to sit here for 3 hours, because then I could have put some files on my phone to edit a video with. But I didn't. So I don't know what I'm doing. It's times like these that are really, really hard for me. I go to the gas station and I really want to pick up some peanuts to snack on, or some pumpkin seeds, or a Quest bar or something. Thank goodness I'm doing this reverse diet, because if I was just not really paying attention and not like recording it for you guys, I think I would have done that just now when I was at the gas station. And instead I bought a Powerade. I don't have any Solé water, and I forgot to take it. I forgot to take my second dose. So here I'm going to be sitting at dinner time missing a dose, because there's no way I can get in 3 more doses without double dosing, and double dosing does not help because it goes right through you. You have to give it some time between. So yeah, if the water weight whoosh starts tomorrow, I'm going to be in big trouble. I thought about buying some salt over at the gas station, but it was like $3 for a little salt and pepper, and I just couldn't. So I bought 2 Powerade Zeros, hoping that would help a little. We'll see. I'm just going to sit in the car, sip on those, and watch YouTube, because that's how my life is sometimes. All right, guys. Finally, 7:30, Solé dose number 2. Yeah, don't do what I'm doing right now today, guys. This is bad. Don't ever let yourself go that long without your sodium. All right, it's 8:30. I just finished making dinner for the kids and me, and I'm about to show you what I'm going to have for my final meal of the day, and then get started on my editing. So I am having spaghetti squash spaghetti. Today I am having 155 grams of spaghetti squash, 2 ounces of sliced mozzarella cheese, 200 grams of lucini marinara, and 6 ounces of 93.7 ground beef cooked up with some garlic, salt, and Italian seasoning. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. 9 o'clock, grabbing a third. It's 11:30. I'm about to go take my last 2 magnesium pills and my other ritual vitamin. I'm not going to film that for you guys. I'm just going to say goodnight. It's been a day. And thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you've enjoyed these vlogs. Tomorrow is going to be my 2-week update. It's day 15 of the reverse. For now, I'm just going to say thank you for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.